All right, the next thing I want to talk about really fast is Google Chrome Canary. For those that aren't familiar, all the browsers always put out these like bleeding edge new feature versions that you can use, and I think they're really really great. If you're a web developer, you should always be using them. So for Google Chrome, it's Canary. You can go to google.com/chrome/browser/canary.html. And I recommend you go ahead and download that. It's going to have all the latest and greatest stuff. Especially, you'll see a lot of stuff shipping for DevTools before it'll make it to native. For those that like Firefox, I think it's called Aurora. Yep, so you can go ahead and download Firefox Beta. They have a DevTool version. Oh, I guess they got rid of Aurora. Okay, so you can get their Firefox Developer Edition. Same idea here. You get all the latest and greatest DevTools stuff. So for the rest of these videos, we are going to be on Chrome Canary, which you can see this little yellow tab. So it's basically just a separate app from Chrome. You can go ahead and keep using Chrome as your default browser if you'd like, but Chrome Canary is definitely where to be for all the cool DevTools stuff. So now we open up DevTools in Chrome Canary, and you might notice, depending on what version of Chrome Stable you're on, that some things look pretty different. For example, this like hover area over here, we'll get to all this in the next video, but I just wanted to make sure everybody's on the same version here, and Chrome Canary is the version to be on.